Hi, I'm Aaron from Fresh-Aire UV. We are introducing our Enhanced Ion at the Fresh-Aire UV Diversitech Trade Show booth for AHR Atlanta 2023. So we all know about our Apco-X. Apco-X is ideal for coil disinfection and air disinfection. We use UVC light to disinfect the evaporator coil, maintaining equipment efficiency, reducing heat transfer loss, and just making sure everything is well and healthy for the HVAC system. And we have the UVC light and the activated carbon catalyst that addresses the odors and VOCs and the biologicals as it recirculates. But what do we do about particulate? What do we do about filtration? Well, this Enhanced Ion is a bipolar ionizer that introduces negative and positive ions into the home, into the ductwork, making those very small particles that would otherwise pass through a filter agglomerate and attract together, making it easier to capture on the HVAC filter itself. So this is a filter enhancement product designed to improve equipment and filter efficiency. Smaller particles become larger, larger particles attach on the HVAC filter, improving the air quality in your home. The Apco-X is designed to address 2/3 of what's in the air, the biologicals, the chemicals, the odors, and the VOCs, and the Enhanced Ion is designed to address the other 1/3. The two of them working together is a perfect solution. Installation is really quite simple, 24-volt connection, easy magnetized to the inside of the ductwork. It's an installation that takes minutes. It's a great solution for you and your customers.